back with Myke LS. So look what we got new on the box set. As y'all can see. Give y'all this POV today, man. Just wanted to show y'all the new add-on right now. Alright, we catch y'all back in a minute. Alright guys, so we back with the POVs. Word, just back in the box Chevy, feeling real good. Had to take it out, you know what I mean? Had a long day, but I had to take it out for y'all, you know what I mean? Because March Madness is almost over. We about to hit April, so we about to hit that spring weather. So, you know, just trying to finish up getting the box Chevy together. Had to take it out and start running it because I ain't running all winter. So, had to work out the little kinks, the bugs, burn out the little old gas and all that. You know what I mean? Just trying to keep y'all updated with all the add-ons out there. So, did some powder coating, as y'all can see, man. Freshened up the trim. Also freshened up the trailer hitch that's in the back, which we're gonna go back and revisit that because I don't know if y'all noticed that, you know what I mean? I made it look spicy. And we finally got that Tiarra grill, you know what I mean? Triple weave joint, you know what I mean? Very excited about that with the light in the center. So the light is just jumping. It look real crazy. It's a real crazy add-on to the box Chevy, you know what I mean? Something I been shit I did, you know what I mean? But as I said, there's a time for everything, and we finally did it. So feel good to be outside. Just got a few more things to do to the box Chevy. Gonna lock it down for that, and then that'll be done. We gotta jump back to Renzel. So look at my back end videos with the Escalade, Renzel Curry for the wing with the yellow cat. You know what I mean? But he putting his hand up. You bugging? You should have never did that, my guy. Just jump right in front. Like, what's wrong with him? Yeah. So yeah, man, really trying to get the lack together. You know what I mean? Not really gonna, I got a big checklist though for the lack, but you know, it takes a lot of money, it takes a lot of time to do all these things, people. I ain't rich, you know what I mean? I try to do a little bit of everything to every vehicle, you know what I mean? And that's, you know, that's kind of like the hard part, is when you have multiple projects, and it's like, I try to do a little bit of everything for every project. So, that's basically my problem. So Renzel, I put a lot of money into, like, you know, changing the parts. So I'm just gonna do the most important thing on my checklist, what I think I really need to do, and then everything else I'll just get piece by piece because, you know, Renzel's for the tow. So I did almost all the major stuff already for the tow already. So yeah, as I said, y'all gonna see if y'all continue to watch the Renzel remix of Renzel build videos. That's pretty exciting. I'm pretty excited about that. We came a long way with Renzel. We did a whole lot. So that's pretty dope. And the charger, we remixed the charger. Also, if y'all know, I got the wide body charger scat pack. Remixed that. Just got a few more things to do with that. And I think, yo, the fleet should be good for the summertime, man. The fleet should be real good for the summertime. Yeah, that's what I got going on right now. But I just we got like 50 something degrees in New York City, so I had to take the box Chevy outside real quick. They go on the app, so just keep that camera, you know what I mean? Yep, you know what I mean? Cause they go police, so you already know. You know, these niggas is like, you know, they be stupid, you know what I mean? Nah, come on, boss man, like you sound like a hater, like. Yeah, so just, you know, just hitting some blocks, man. Not even going on the highway or nothing, hitting some blocks. And that's basically what I want to do today, just hit some blocks, burn out the old gas. Look at Honda, look at the Honda dealer, man. They got a special. They got big specials at the Honda dealer. But yeah, just just hitting some blocks, man. Feeling good, man. How you doing, Motion? How you doing today, man? You know what I mean? Good. Got Nas Motion all day, people. Like, you know, Nas was like, yo, you know what I mean? We doing this again. Yes. That's POV time, baby. Gotta get this. I gotta wash this car. I didn't wash this car in a long time. We need a nice wash. And there's a lot I want to actually do to this box Chevy also, you know what I mean? Because I got super motivated, like everybody doing frame offs and all this stuff. I don't want to do a frame off, but there's a lot of necessary cleaning up stuff I want to do, which, you know, I really got super inspired from a lot of different YouTubers and people that's, you know, doing their box Chevy. So it gave me a lot of ideas on things I want to do. So after this summer is done, definitely I'm gonna start. I have a whole new route I want to go with this box Chevy, and it's gonna be fun. Like, you know what I mean? It's gonna be real fun because, as y'all know, this is my signature car. You know what I mean? And it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. You know what I mean? And once y'all continue to I can't put this right. Y'all see police. We be right back because I see the ops. You know what I mean? And they are like, you know, lights flashing and all kind of stuff. So we be right back. Sorry guys, minor technical difficulty. You know what I mean? But yeah, what was I saying? He don't even know what I was saying. Yeah, but yeah, just trying to get everything together, man. Oh no, I was saying in terms of like everybody getting their joint together, everybody talking about these car shows and whatever. So I'm just, you know, I'm doing everything for me. I'm doing what I can afford. You know what I mean? I'm doing what's necessary. You know what I mean? For me and what's necessary for, you know, the channel. You know what I mean? I don't got that paint the belly money. You know what I mean? If I did, like, I don't even know if I even do it because, man, is when you start breaking these cars down and taking out certain things, man, it's like, yo, that it gets different. It gets different. Even like taking the motor out and putting it back together, it gets different. You know what I mean? Like, if it's always some problem, there's always something go wrong. It's like I got to a point where my car is like, basically I corrected a lot of stuff. The only thing I have to do major to this car, I have the wiring I want to do over, and that's one of the major things, and everything else is just minor cleanup, whatever. You know what I mean? Just change a little this, a little that. You know what I mean? But I'm taking everything piece by piece because I don't want my car to sit down, so that's why I'm not doing nothing. That's why I ain't even do nothing major. I still got the wiring. I'm maybe gonna focus maybe more on that maybe like next year. Just focus on that one thing, just doing a wire, tucking it real neat, get everything back together with this wiring. And then, but not this year. This year I wanted to focus on other little things, but you know, because the car is running, so I didn't want to focus on breaking the wire down. There was other little things I wanted to do. But next year, definitely I'm gonna focus on the wiring. I don't know if I'm gonna do it or I'm gonna take it to a spot and let them do it. I'm not 100% sure. If I know I could do it, just got to do a little bit more research. You know what I mean? It's nothing. Everything is like plug and play. So, but yeah, I think I may take a shot and do it and see how that go, and you know, take y'all with me on that process. You know what I mean? But yeah. So I hear that crazy feedback. I gotta get that looked at, but I'm not looking at that this year because, as I said, man, really, I don't really want nobody touching in and messing around with this car right now. You know what I mean? I kind of got this car to a certain point where I'm very comfortable. You know what I mean? And I trust the car and I know the car behavior. It took me a long time to really learn this car and know the car behavior because there was a lot of different hands in the car. And when there's a lot of different hands in the car, when something go wrong, you know what I mean? You don't want to drive it. It gets spooky. But like, you know, as I said, I did a lot of correction work myself. So now I'm at a point where I really trust this car. I know this car behavior. I know how far I could go. I know how it moves because at the end of the day, it's a lot of things I corrected myself, and I know what it is and I know how to fix it. So that's why I was saying that I may do the wiring myself, which I know is not really hard. As I said, this is really like a lot of plug and play, you know what I mean? And I got painless wiring, so basically everything should look the same. And I just gotta just trace and make sure I'm doing the same exact thing that's what's actually in here now. And these dudes is like, oh man, like everybody, y'all waiting a turn? Oh man, or they double park. I think they double park, right? Yeah, I think they double park. Yeah, so yeah, as I was saying, yeah. So that's what everything look like right now. So today is a great day. And I got a little squeaking noise from the pulley. I don't know why. I mean, but I'll figure that out later. But yeah, everything looks cool with the box Chevy. Temperature good. I gotta charge up my batteries. I gotta take them out and charge them one by one. I got like 5 batteries. Just do a quick, you know what I mean, refresh on the batteries and all that. Make sure they charge up real good. And yeah, man, just getting ready for. I'm excited for all the box Chevys, the new box Chevys coming out, the new projects coming out. Everybody got, you know what I mean? Oh, you gonna let me stop? Good looking. Yeah, just excited for the new projects coming out. And yeah, just excited. Just excited, people. Very excited. So as I said, I just wanted to do a quick lap. Nothing major. Just a quick lap in the box Chevy. We go do a quick walk around once again. Let me see. Right here under our famous spot. Under the light. Under the tunnel. Do a quick walk around. I'm gonna change the mode on my Tiarra grill. The mood light. All right, let's get it. About to jump in. Just wanted to show y'all from different